naye constitution ngiyayishisa ngoba bazonimoka ngale constitution amanyala le bazonimoka ngalodo.
Ousted Mpumalanga Umkhonto weSizwe Party leader Mary Phadi has spoken out for the first time since her dramatic removal from the political organization she helped build, describing her expulsion as a deeply personal betrayal by former ally and Umkhonto weSizwe Party President Jacob Zuma. Phadi, a founding figure in the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's rise in Mpumalanga, was reacting to a Mbombela High Court judgment that confirmed her removal from the provincial legislature following an affidavit filed by Jacob Zuma. The ruling brought a painful close to her short but powerful stint as leader of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party caucus in the province. Speaking to Sunday World publication, she said the day you sign the papers, the pain becomes real. This was after she signed documents severing her ties with the legislature on Tuesday and said it's like being in an abusive relationship. You accept the divorce, but the moment of finality hurts the most. A trucking industry leader and a political firebrand Phadi said the ordeal has left her and her family emotionally shattered. She never imagined and said that the same political movement she had helped legitimize would eventually cast her aside. Phadi's involvement with the Umkhonto weSizwe Party predates its meteoric rise following the 2024 general elections. As one of the Zuma's earliest high-profile allies, she was appointed provincial convener, later leading the party to a stunning performance in Mpumalanga, garnering nearly 194,000 votes and securing 9 seats, toppling both the DA and the EFF to become the official opposition. She said, "We were in the trenches before anyone knew what Umkhonto weSizwe Party could become. We worked tirelessly on the ground, and now I'm being removed for organizing a rally that thousands attended." That rally, held without party approval, marked the beginning of her fall from grace. She was expelled in October 2024, only to be reinstated 2 months later through a court order. But the conflict didn't end there. In May 2025, Zuma submitted a damning affidavit accusing Phadi of insubordination and violating party protocol. The affidavit cited her decision to organize the rally even after Zuma had appointed former public protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane as the new provincial leader. He also accused her of insulting senior leaders, including calling former Secretary General Floyd Shivambu a dog in a viral video. On July 8, the court upheld her expulsion, bringing an abrupt end to her legislative role and confirming the internal fractures within the newly formed party. Despite the legal outcome, Phadi says she will not pursue an appeal and said, "I have so much respect for Zuma, but that man broke my heart. I was loyal, I served with integrity, and this is how it ended." Asked whether Zuma had been misled by those within the party, she responded with measured disappointment and said no one can fool a political strategist like Zuma. If he wanted the truth, he would have found it. "I was honest, maybe that was my mistake. I didn't play politics, I served." The cost of her political fall has been steep. Her mother, she says, is now dealing with a heart condition. Her son expressed heartbreak at seeing her suffer and said, "He told me, 'Mama, I wish I could put you in a safe bottle to protect you from South Africa. You are too loving and it's hurting you.'" In a final emotional appeal, Phadi directed a message to the former president and said, "Please don't do to others what you did to me. People sacrifice everything for this movement. I still believe in Umkhonto weSizwe Party, but it must remain in the hands of those willing to die for it and not destroy it from within." Her departure brings to a close a chapter defined by loyalty, delusionment, and the harsh realities of revolutionary politics. Mary Phadi's journey serves as a cautionary tale of power, trust, and the emotional cost of serving a cause greater than oneself. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.